Welcome. If your mind has been racing today, if you've been carrying stress, worries, or too many thoughts, for the next few minutes, you don't need to solve anything. You don't need to figure anything out. Just allow yourself to be here. Find a comfortable position. And gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Again. Breathe in calm. And breathe out tension. As you breathe in, imagine a feeling of peace entering your mind. As you breathe out, imagine releasing everything that feels heavy. Every thought, every worry, every tension, just let it drift away. Like clouds moving across a wide open sky. You don't need to chase your thoughts. You don't need to stop them. Simply watch them pass. and return your attention to your breath. Breathing in, breathing out. With each breath, your mind becomes a little quieter. Your shoulders soften. Your jaw relaxes. Your forehead smooths. A gentle sense of calm begins to spread through your entire body. Now imagine yourself sitting beside a peaceful lake. The water is perfectly still. The air is calm. The sky is clear. As you look at the water, you notice something. The lake becomes calm when the wind stops. And your mind works the same way. You don't need to force calmness. You simply allow stillness to return naturally. For a few moments, rest in this peaceful place. Breathing slowly, feeling safe, feeling supported, to feeling calm. And remind yourself quietly, I'm here. I'm safe. This moment is enough. I release what I cannot control. I choose peace. Allow these words to settle gently into your heart. Now take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Notice how your mind feels compared to a few minutes ago. Perhaps a little lighter, a little calmer, a little more peaceful. carry this feeling with you. As you continue your day or move into a restful night. Whenever life feels overwhelming, remember, peace is not something you need to find. It is already within you. Take one final deep breath in and slowly breathe out. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back, and may your mind remain calm, clear, and at peace.